Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is Makeup Monday. So, I've already done my eyebrows. It's the first time I've done my eyebrows first. I don't get how people can do the eyebrows and then put on their makeup. So, I'm going to see today. Okay, I always use a liquid foundation. Well, no, I don't. Sometimes I just use the finishing powder. And I'm still going to use the finishing powder on top of this. Okay, this foundation evens out my skin tone. Because I got a lot of stuff to cover up. I have to work around my eyebrows. Okay. Usually I cover eyebrows and all. Right there. That's good. As good as she gets. Okay, where the top? Putting on my, where's my finishing powder? Right here. I use a fluffy brush. Try not to take all day. Okay. See, I don't look like folks until I put some color on my face. I think I'm going to use some blue eyeshadow today. I usually just use whatever I put on my cheeks, that color. I use a light, like a turquoise. Okay, I need this mirror. It don't seem to be as pigmented as I would like. You can't even see what color it is. I have to keep going over and over. I don't like that. Let's do the whole lid. If I wet the brush and dip it in the eyeshadow, then it'll be darker. I don't want to mess up my eyeshadow. I got another blue. taking more time than I wanted just on my eyes. I caught myself hurrying up by doing my eyebrows. Okay, I need some. Y'all know me, I like the darkness around the outer V right here. So the darkest color in this palette is a purple. So that's what I'm putting on here. And also outline my eye. That's good. Kind of brush it away a little bit. Now, I ain't got nothing on the brow bone. Get that out my way. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use my foundation right up under the eyebrows to kind of define the brow. A little bitty brush. Just squirting a little bit on here. Waiting for Amber to finish moving her stuff out of here so I can have my beauty room back. I ain't been in there so long. I bet y'all forgot I had a beauty room. All my makeup was in one place. Okay, I need some eyeliner. Where's my liner? What I need. It's just regular waxy edge control. Extra hold edge stay gels by Cantu. I haven't tinted my hair in a while. The last time I did, I used henna. It looked good after I used it, but then if I put certain gels on my hair, mainly on the edges, then it takes it right off. So I'm trying to see if I'm going to embrace my grayness, silverness. Okay, I need some hair. Wear this. What's the name of this? I forgot what you call it. It's a half wig. And yes, you will see my grayness. I just saw this package that this came out of. Vanilla Girl, that's what it's called. Okay. It's a half wig. Putting this way up here. Okay, got a comb in the back, so I need to attach this comb. Always pull the edges. It look crazy right now. Pull the edges close to my ear and pin it with a long bobby pin. On this funny colored headband, because I don't get a chance to wear my crazy colored headbands, because all my tops mostly have some kind of print or crazy color. So this got the same shade of blue, green, turquoise, aqua in it, along with other colors. So I declare it okay. Supposed to be a knot right here. I like that little knot to go right there, but it ain't doing. That's okay. Okay, this looking bald headed right here where I put that bobby pin. Nothing on my teeth. Okay. Let me put my real lipstick on. I want me a red. Where they red at? A nice red lip. Okay. No, I'm not going to darken no edges. Maybe I'll pull this a little closer so you see less of my hair. So, I declare myself I'm as cute as I'm going to get today. So, thumbnail. Oh, my earrings got to show. You know, I want some wider hoops, a little bit wider than this. I have to wait till I pay them taxes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. And I'm going to do a public service announcement about all these scam and spam phone calls we've been getting. So it'll be following this. Okay, bye. Be blessed.